How to log into African bank account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your African bank account. For that, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar, you will need to type ib.africanbank.co.za. Make sure you enter the correct keyword here. Once you type in this keyword in the address bar, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of African Bank. Here at the right side, you will find the login interface where you will need to enter the login details of your bank account. In this first box, you will need to type in your username, and in the second box, enter your PIN. After entering your PIN, now enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password here. If in case you forgot your login details, you can also reset them by clicking on this reset button right at the bottom, and from there you can follow the on-screen prompts to recover your account details. Now after entering all the login credentials, you will need to click on this login button right here, and then you will need to follow any other additional steps. Then you will be able to access your account. After logging into your African bank account, you can now perform a variety of actions depending on your needs. So this is how you can log into your African bank account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.